What's going on, guys? Tony Maritato here with Tucker again, and we are your therapy team. So we're going to talk about going up and down the stairs after your total knee replacement and a couple strategies that you might have already learned, but I want to talk about going up bottom first as a way to maximize safety if you're just not feeling ready yet. So in the hospital or the surgical center, you probably learned how to go what's called up with the good and down with the bad. And the idea behind that, we're going to pretend it's my left knee that had the knee replacement. So if I'm getting ready to go up the stairs, I park my walker, my left knee is going to be my support leg, my non-surgical leg is going to be what leads me up, and my surgical leg trails behind. And the reason why is because I want the non-surgical leg, which for most cases should be the stronger of the two legs, to do the work to lift my body up to the next step. And then when I'm coming down the stairs, I'm gonna go down with the bad because the idea is I want that surgical leg to have the support of my non-surgical leg as I come down to the next step. The non-surgical leg is what's supporting me during the descent. Now, if there's a day where I'm just not feeling it, but I still need to get up or down the stairs, if I feel lightheaded or dizzy, absolutely take a seat and go up and down bottom first. And what I mean by that is, so from here again, this is my surgical leg, hands are on the step behind me. I'm gonna kind of scoot my bottom up, bring my non-surgical leg up, and I'm gonna kind of slide back. And then here comes my buddy. We're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go up, bring my foot up, and slide back. Once I'm at the top landing, now what I can do is I can use my handrail, my hand, I'll come into standing, and I'm ready to go about my day. And when I'm coming down the stairs, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'll take a seat, I'll scoot my body to the edge, I'll come down one step, bring my leg with me, come down another step. When I'm down, anywhere between the second and third step from the bottom, this will be where I can push up from this position. The bottom of the stairs is really one of my favorite places for patients to do their home exercises. Reason being is I can sit back, I can sit on this step. If I bring my heel on my surgical leg back to the bottom step, I've got an objective measure. Now from here, if I want to track progress, I can slide forward, I can keep coming forward. Eventually, what I'll be able to do is come down, so now I'm on one step up from the floor. If this obviously is too aggressive, you can be up here, I can be up on the third step, but you can see how different levels will help control the amount of flexion that I get into the knee. In another video, we'll talk about doing some other exercises to work on extension in the stairway. But for now, guys, I hope that was helpful. Bottom up, and I will see you on the next video.